Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use neither and either in negative statements to show similarity. What I mean is you want to show that you have something in common with someone else, but that thing, that action needs to be negative. The verb needs to be negative in order to use either or neither. So for example, I can say Maria is not a swimmer. Maria is not a swimmer. Not is negative. So now if I can also find a similarity with that statement, I can use either or neither. Maria is not a swimmer. Hey, neither am I. Neither am I. Or I can say, I'm not either. I'm not either. So the key is you can start with neither and then you need to have a verb and a subject, or you can end with either and then start with the subject and verb, but that verb needs to be negative in order to use either. Okay, so that's one example with the be verb. Let's look at examples with some other types of verbs. Here it says Maria doesn't swim daily. This is negative. Okay, Maria doesn't swim daily. Oh yeah, either does John. So I can say, oh yeah, neither does John. I can say, neither does John. Or John doesn't either. Remember, if you start with neither, you need a verb and the subject. This time, the verb is a helping verb. Why do we need a helping verb? You always need a helping verb in this type of response. Where does come from? Look over here. The helping verb here is does, so the helping verb over here will be does. Or we can end with either and start with the subject and the verb, helping verb. John doesn't either. Okay, let's look at a few more types of sentences. Maria can't swim. What? Oh, neither can I. We have that in common. She can't, I can't. Or I can say, I can't either. Remember, you can start with neither or you can end with either, but the verb has to be negative. All right, let's look at one more example. Maria hasn't raced yet. She hasn't raced. It's negative. We have a helping verb, has. So I'm going to say neither to show similarity. Neither have I. Helping verb needs to be have because the helping verb over there is have. Or I can say I haven't. Remember, it has to be negative to use either. I haven't either. I haven't either. So here you have it. Another way you can do it is just say me neither. Me neither. Me neither. Maria hasn't raced yet. Me neither. Me neither. You can say that. But to know the full form, this is it. Okay? So be careful. It's a little confusing, but with practice, you'll get it. Bye.